our 4-section cocktail combination station. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall length, we have 84 inches in total. A depth of 22.5 inches. Height of 33 inches tall. Measurements apply for the depth and height for each of the 4 sections, with the ice bin measuring 30 inches in length, with the sink and 2 individual rinsing stations. We have a length of 18 inches. The recessed drain board, 12 inches. And the 4-tier bottles holder, measuring 24 inches in length. For the ice bin and bottles holder, dual slide doors, along with 2 buckets to hold your products. Each bucket will measure 16 inches in depth, 5 inches in height, and 5.5 inches in length. Measurements apply for both buckets. Interior ice bin measurements include 27.5 inches in length, 14.5 inches in depth, and 12 inches in height. Main drain beneath the ice bin, and to the front will be a compartment to hold your bottles. Length, we have 30 inches, a depth of 4 inches, and height of 6 inches. For the sink and 2 individual washing stations, measurements for the interior sink itself, 14 inches in length, 10 inches in depth, and 7 inches in height. Included will be the strainer, along with the faucet. Measurements for the spout will be 6 inches, with the left and right mounts measuring 4 inches. Coming to the front left of the sink will be a tab that will rinse your cup or bottle when the tab is pushed down. Coming to the right will be the dipping wheel to rinse your ice cream scoopers, forks, spoons, and other utensils. This tin can be removed, with the tin measuring 5 inches in radius by 5.5 inches in height. Faucet on top that will rinse your products inside the well. The recessed drain board measurements will include 12 inches in length, 20 inches in depth. Drain board can be removed, with the main drain located beneath the recessed area. The last section will include the 4-tier cups and bottles holder, with each step measuring 24 inches in length, 5.25 inches in depth. Measurements apply for each of the 4 different sections on this cups and bottles holder, the lowest being in the front and the highest towards the back. Located on each individual section will be the NSF certification, and this cocktail combination station is a build your own, so each of the separate sections can be intertwined and interchanged. Please refer to our underbar stations and sinks on our website and can be purchased separately to build your own station. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.